We purchased from Syspex for the vacuum shrink pack. We start to use Syspex because of the quality and the prices.
This is the product after put into the storage. Lasts about 1 month. Then as you can see here, there is no leakage. The bag is still very tight. The same quality that compared to the post-production, this is before storage.
We use the Syspex. We have the benefit is to get the better cost and then more efficient and then good quality in compared with other brands.
We purchased the high bay LED from Syspex, which is manufactured by Lumix. We have been using this LED since 2016 in all locations, which makes the people feel more comfortable and increase the health and safety of vendors on the shop floor. We enjoy a lot by using this product due to a few reasons. The first thing is we're able to reduce quantity from 200 conventional high bay lights to 150 LED panels.
When we use manually for the production, we need more time for the production. But after we buy the machine, the capacity is 50 carton per minute. That's more efficient. Previously, we use PVC for the plastic when we use the old machine, old system. And now we use PF for the Syspex machine. That's more nice for the quality.
We have purchased 3 units of HVLS fan from Syspex. I like the product from Syspex because it helps circulate the air. It gives out a natural ventilation in our space, which is very important, I think, especially in our tropical climate.
We've purchased the wrapping machine from Syspex and we've been using it for about a year. It's worth the money that you pay. It's good that you get this kind of quality of product and it actually lasts, it saves costs, and it works.